This summer camp is our technology camp, and we're focusing on pretty much advancements in technology. We're going from drones to robots to even older technology like welding, electricity, and kind of how it's been modernized.
This is like my first time actually learning how to use drones from like a professional or someone who knows how to use them. We're learning how to like control them and I guess move them, like pitch forward and pitch backward.
We've learned with robotics how to code and how to give specific instructions to tell someone what to do.
Today we're actually building a robot and programming it to like detect what color a cube is.
The goal of this summer camp is to make kids realize kind of the advancements, but also realize the stuff that's available at their high schools. Watching the light bulb go on is my favorite part. When they actually get it and they have coded, let's say the robot or they've been flying the drone, and as soon as it does what they think it's supposed to do, just seeing them excited about something. Like it's summer and they're still learning stuff, I think that's cool.
I think from this camp, it kind of spiked my interest in robotics and drones, so I really do think I'm gonna do this stuff in high school too.
These are just the basics, and I really want to learn more in depth.